Another fun thing that I like doing in CapCut is adding stickers to my video. You can do that by clicking the stickers button here at the top. And similar to the stock footage and music library, they also have a bunch of different free stickers for you to use. We go to the end of our video here where I say the fact about the giraffes getting 5 to 30 minutes of sleep a day. Let's look up a sticker for sleep. If I hover over one, I can see if it's animated or not. So this one you can see is an animated sticker. I'll simply drag and drop it on top of my captions track. And then I'll scale it down here. And using this little handle, I can rotate the sticker. And I'll just put it over here kind of on top of the captions near the corner. And then if I click on animation, I can make it kind of fade in here. And then on out, I can make it fade out as well. I'll adjust the ending to where it ends with the video. Then I'll preview it once again. Between 5 and 30 minutes of sleep a day. Nice, so we have a little sticker that appears, kind of makes the fact a little bit more fun and engaging. And then if I expand stickers here on the left-hand side, you can click on AI generated. You can actually generate your own stickers with a prompt here. This is a new feature that CapCut just dropped, and it's really cool. So if they don't have a sticker available for you to search, you can just make your own with the AI generation.